Wake up. I usually wake up at 5 am. Brush. I brush my teeth 2 times in a day. Breakfast. I eat breakfast after I brush my teeth. Shower. I take a shower in the morning time. Dress. I dress up in formal attire for work. Work. I work from 10 to 6 every weekday. Lunch. I usually have lunch at 2 p.m. Email. I check my emails in the morning. Cook. I love to cook dinner for my family. Dine. We usually dine out on Sunday. Watch. We usually watch TV shows before bed. Read. I read my favorite book every night. Sleep. I aim to sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours. Exercise. I exercise in the gym 6 times a week. Shop. I shop for groceries every weekend. Clean. I clean my toilet every weekend. Laundry. My sister do my laundry on Saturday. Iron. Iron my clothes every Sunday evening. Call. I call my mother every weekend. Play. My kids play games after school. Study. I study for 1 hour in the evening. Drink. I drink at least 6 glasses of water daily. Meet. I meet with my team every morning. Walk. I walk with my dog twice a day. Write. I write in my journal every night. Sing. I sing with friends to the radio in the car. Dance. I dance when I'm cleaning the floor. Paint. I paint as a way to relax on weekends. Swim. I swim at the local pool once in a day. Bake. I bake cookies for my family once in a week. Photograph. I love to photograph nature scenes. Laugh. I laugh a lot when I'm with my friends. Cry. I usually cry when watching movies. Dream. I dreamt of traveling last night. Jog. I jog around the park with my friends. Fix. I fix broken things around the house. Snuggle. I snuggle up with a blanket when it's cold. Celebrate. I celebrate friend birthdays with a party. Help. I help physically disabled people. Garden. I garden when the weather is clean. Meditate. I meditate for 10 minutes in the morning. Save. I save money from my paycheck every month. Invest. I invest in stocks to grow my savings too. Plan. I plan my tasks for the next day. Relax. I relax by taking a shower after work.